It is a beautiful summer day. I am traveling on a train. There are two ladies who are traveling on the same train. They are sitting opposite me. I don't know them, but I know that they are foreigners. They speak to each other. I don't understand much, but I know that they speak English. I also want to speak English, but I am a beginner. I don't know many words, but this is an opportunity for me to speak English. I decide to try to speak to the ladies. I say some sentences in simple English and they understand what I say. I try to continue. My speaking is slow. I don't know many words, but I am able to have a simple conversation with the ladies. I tell them that I want to learn English. They are happy when they hear it. They tell me that they are from England. They are traveling home from a conference. We speak for about 10 minutes. Then I thank them. They give me their address and phone number. They tell me that I can visit them in England if I want to. Then we say goodbye. This is how my journey in learning English begins. After this meeting, I decide to work on my English more. I translate texts and I watch films in English. I work on my English for 2 hours almost every day. In 6 months, I am able to speak quite well. It is great for me, but I want to know more. I decide to go to London. I want to study English there. When I am in London, I choose a school. This school is very good. My first lesson is on Monday. I meet my teacher and the other students in the class. My teacher is a young lady. She is very nice. She asks everybody to say their names and also say where they are from. Then the lesson starts. Our teacher asks us how we studied English before and what we believe is the best method to learn English. I tell my teacher that I like translating songs and other texts. But I don't know what the best method to learn English is. Our teacher says that she will teach us a very effective method to learn English. This method is based on using the language. Our teacher tells us that we will not have to study, we will not use textbooks, but we will use the language a lot. It is great for me. I don't like studying. I don't like textbooks. Then we speak about what we should concentrate on when we learn a new language. Our teacher tells us we need languages for communication. Languages help us say ideas and understand ideas. So when you learn a new language, the best way to learn is to use it for exchanging ideas. This is what we will do in our course. Most of the time we will speak. You spoke a lot when you learned your native language as a child, and you should speak when you learn English as an adult. Many students spend a lot of time on trying to remember new words or learning grammar rules. They don't use English for speaking. They study about the language, but they don't use it very much. Of course, you need to learn new words and new grammar, but you don't actually have to study. During this course, I will show you a very simple and effective way how to learn new words and grammar. I like what our teacher says. Our lesson continues. We speak about our hobbies and what we do in our free time. We speak in pairs or with our teacher. It is great. We speak all the lesson. I really like it. I am happy. I look forward to the next lesson.